So I'm back with Terry's 110, and you saw us get it fired up, but you could hear it like she was fighting herself, running. So, and even after that, I mean, she was just like, So I could easily blame the $15 China carb that says it's ISO performance, right? Okay, so I could blame that, sure I could. But again, I could blame myself because I bought cheap-ass China carb. What else is there, guys? Right? Don't give me shit. So, anyway, I believe that I'm out of time. So, if I get my T right on that mark, we get... If my light would stay in place, huh? Sorry. If you look at the notch, I'm trying to get you guys a good shot. I ain't gonna get it. Just believe me that the 0 mark is below, barely. But I think I'm advanced. So I'm gonna go ahead and say screw it and yank that cam and pop myself back a tooth, and I think that'll probably get us going. My next worries and woes is actually an oil leak, as you see, and I'm hoping it ain't from, and it is from the head. So I wonder what that's about. That makes me really mad. You fixing it? So anyway, I think I found it. Here's the old card. Surprisingly not as bad. But I took this apart, started inspecting it, and sure enough, this was loose. So that could have been screwing with me the whole time. But I am going to replace this, though it is brand new. I'm going to pull that. I'm going to pull the one out of this one and swap them out. I'm going to get that one all cleaned up. As long as I can clean that one up, I'm using it. I'm going to use the original jet instead of the China jet. Okay, let's see if she'll run. Are you happy? Falling on its butt again, ain't it?
Whoa, you got the phone.
Why won't she run?
I don't know. I just fixed the wheels.
You just fixed the wheels?
Yep. Then I fixed the hole.
Yeah. Are you fixing the handlebars now?
Yep.
Yeah.
So this one is clean.
Well, maybe you can fix it and make it run, because it ain't wanting to run now. Huh. Huh. Very nice transmission. First maiden voyage on Terry 10. And that's it. That's the end. Okay, hot, mad. I'm down to thinking there's water in the gas. That's the only thing that can explain, like, it just dies and falls on its ass and does not want to get back up. Like something got reset. Like, boom, you know? So that's the only thing I can imagine, is there was still water in the gas tank. There was, you know, it only got like 3 days of drying with the dip. It's still kind of soft. I usually like 5 days. So I can only imagine maybe there's water, you know, that I'm, you know, have an issue with, and it's getting into the carb, and boom, she just dies. Transmission feels good. Everything feels great, other than the motor. You know, I got to get it. Once I get the motor figured out and stabilized, she'll be gold. Now, what may cause excitement among some is, there's old Mater. And she has seen better days. My son's been drawing on her. And as you can see, I mean, she is taking her hits. The frame is very loose. You know, she is stretched out. Pretty sure the back bearings are now finally starting to show that they are done. Hell, the axle may be done. She's got no spark. So we had went on that creek ride last year. That's how long it's been. What, in the fall, I think me and Jared went to Rough Corn, right? Something like that. And he dunked it pretty good. We're thinking that maybe the stator's fried. It's the only thing I can think of right now, because it's not the coil, because that coil is currently on the Terry 10. So, Mater needs love. Mater needs love. So she's back. Me and Jared are going to play with it. I'm going to try to stiffen some stuff up. I mean, I think we're going to need a new set of rear bearings now that I'm playing with it. I'm like, those things are done. So there's the game plan. What else? Oh, yeah, I got to re-weld the chain tensioner, because that broke, or bent, or twisted. I'm sure it's just about done. I don't know why, but Jared seems to have some... Oh, okay, alright, well, yeah. Yeah, sure, okay. And, yeah, man. Yeah, she's showing her age. She always has. So the plan is to make her a runner. I think I may surprise some folks. Well, whatever. I'm a ton of surprises. Fuck y'all. I'm gonna put fucking fork extensions back on Mater. Fuck yeah, man. Make her long and strong. I'm going to see if I can find a set. I know I've got an extra set of fork extensions, so I'm planning on putting them on there. So that's the game plan. So I'll freshen her up, clean the carb, do the bearings, clean it, wash it, buff it, improve it, make it better, stronger, faster. I'm fucking hot and tired, boys. Okay, I'm out.